What are the advantages of lead membrane keypads? Lead membrane keypads, also known as lead backlit membrane switches or keypads, integrate light-emitting diodes LEDs into the thin, flexible structure of a traditional membrane switch. This adds illumination to keys, icons, symbols, or specific areas, while retaining the core benefits of membranes. Technology.Here are the main advantages of lead membrane keypads, drawn from their design and performance characteristics. 1. Enhanced visibility in low light or dark. 2. Ultra-thin and lightweight design. 3. Energy efficiency and low power consumption. 4. The long lifespan and reliability. 5. A low heat generation. 6. High environmental adaptability, sealing, and durability. 7. Customization and aesthetic appeals. 8. Cost effectiveness. 9. Improved user experience and safety. 10. Design flexibility. More info visit www.jcftechnology.com.